2,500 subscribers.
Yeah. G'day YouTube, this is JB from Oz. Here we have an Austin Champ.
1958.
1958. Complete with motor. Apparently the motor's in good nick. What do you reckon?
I have been told the motor's good nick. It's the Rolls Royce out of the original Rolls Royce factory.
It has an air cleaner. Does that detail give anybody any information? Slowly cleaning across that. What have we got there? We've got some info here.
It's all shielded electrics.
Yes, very nice. Commentary radiator cone. Check that out. That's a mighty big beast there. Instead of hydraulics or something. Oh, generator. No? Hydraulic lines?
I'm not quite sure.
Who knows? Yeah, Austin Champ.
Austin Champ 58. There's all the diff and the bearings all run. It is
Mobile.
mobile. You can just push it. It rolled off the trailer straight down here.
One careful lady owner.
Parked for 40 years.
Right.
Under a tree.
And it's even got blackout lights. Oh, snorkel.
Snorkel, yeah.
Right.
It's snorkel attachment. We've got another spare wheel at the back.
Excellent.
Use it as parts.
Parts car.
Parts car, the motor is good.
Check out instrument cluster. Check all that out, eh? Seat bases. Probably do something with that. Start of a seat base there. A few patterns of very loose. Hood bows.
Hood bows up there. And we have got another windscreen which is complete.
Okay, it's got a windscreen wiper, vacuum drive, no doubt. Yeah, one of them. Fittings, if you're looking for fittings. Spring catches, anything original you want. Check it out, lads. Anybody wanting to know more information, let me know. What's down here? What would be that?
Well, those were attachments for shovels and spare parts that were
nice.
tied off onto the side of the vehicle.
Very cool. Expressions of interest, let me know. Not much in the way of lights. What have we got? We do have a horn though. No? Reflector. Oh, license disc? No. What is that? Reflector.
It is. That's part of the military.
What's that? Another number plate light maybe. It's even got a towing hook.
And that's the
Mil spec towing hook.
that's the fuel inlet through there. We've got the pipes inside. Tank's still there. It's even got fuel in the tank according to the...
Ah, nice. So the electrics all work too.
Well, it's our battery, so 20, I think it's 24 volts.
So the gauge is mechanical?
Gauge must be mechanical. The gauge says half full, unless that's where the needle is stuck.
That's very possible. Comes free with a half tank of gas. Very nice. All right, yeah, look guys, anybody interested in Austin Champ, put a comment down below and I'll put you in touch with the owner. Thanks, Adrian.
No worries.
Take it easy, mate.